Hello everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. My name is Emma. Today, I want to tell you about something that happened to me recently. It was last weekend. I was walking home from the park after a long, relaxing afternoon. I had been listening to music on my phone. The weather was perfect, and I was enjoying the quiet and sunshine. When I got to the bus stop, I realized my phone was not in my pocket. At first, I thought maybe I had left it in the park. So I turned around and walked back quickly, checking every spot where I had sat. But it wasn't there. I started feeling nervous and a little frustrated. My heart was racing. I remembered that I had taken a picture of some flowers nearby. I checked my bag. Nothing. I checked my jacket. Nothing. That's when I started to panic a little. How could I lose it so fast? I decided to ask people around me. Maybe someone had picked it up or seen it. I walked back slowly, explaining my situation. "Excuse me, did anyone see a black phone around here?" I asked. Most people shook their heads. No one had seen it. I felt so frustrated. I thought, maybe someone had taken it. I walked to the street and checked around the bus stop again. Then a man called out to me. "Excuse me, are you looking for a phone?" he said. I turned quickly. "Yes, that's mine," I said, almost running toward him. He smiled. "Found it over there on the bench," he said. I ran over. There it was, my phone, safe and untouched. I felt so relieved. I thanked the man again and again. While walking home, I thought about how easily we panic over small things. Losing my phone felt like the end of the world. But in reality, it was just a few minutes of stress. I realized something important that day. We often focus on the problem instead of looking for a calm solution. Later that evening, I called my best friend and told her what happened. She laughed. "I can't believe you lost your phone for just a few minutes," she said. I didn't laugh at first. I was too relieved to be upset. I thought about all the things on my phone. Photos, contacts, messages. I really didn't want to lose them. This made me decide something. From now on, I will always check my pockets before leaving any place. And I also decided to keep a backup of everything important on my phone. That experience taught me patience and the importance of being careful with my things. Later that week, I shared the story with my family over dinner. My little brother laughed the most. "Emily, you're always so forgetful," he said. I couldn't help laughing too. It was funny in the end. Losing my phone was stressful, but it turned into a lesson about being calm and careful. I also learned something else, that there are still kind people in the world. That man could have kept the phone, but he chose to help me. So, it's important to be honest and to help others when we can. After that day, I started paying more attention to my belongings. And I also started enjoying the small things, like noticing flowers, listening to music, or watching people at the park. Losing my phone was stressful, but it also made me appreciate what I have. So, if something goes wrong in your day, try to stay calm. Look for a solution. And remember, things can always turn out okay. That's it for today's story. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for listening. Remember, small challenges can teach us big lessons. See you next time. Bye.